Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer or send money from Revolut bank account to AIB bank account. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. Just go to your Revolut account, and right here you'll need to select on payments, and after that you will see this page. Then just select this one on the plus icon and you will be able to make a new payment. Then select on the bank icon. Then as you can see, it will take like this, that you will need to go to your AIB bank account, see bank account details like IBAN, BIC or SWIFT, and the SWIFT code is usually ABKIA2D, but confirm in your app, and then you will be able to transfer it. So as you can see, when you add a bank recipient, you will see that you will need to put IBAN, first name, middle name, last name, and email. That's pretty much it, and that's how you send your money from Revolut to AIB.